self-control is not human willpower. Dili siya pasabot nga maningkamot kog ayo para na ako'y self-control. It's not like that. That's willpower. Self-control is a fruit of the Spirit. It means that every day of your life, close ka sa Holy Spirit. The moment nga wala na kay closeness with the Holy Spirit, that's the moment wala kay self-control. Only the Spirit of God can transform your heart. Nganong naa kay self-control? Because nakasabot ka nga dili ni siya by willpower lang, but your God is able. Your God is able by His grace nga makasay no ka sa temptation this time. Self-control isn't about trying hard. Kana bitang ingnon ka nga, you try harder. Bisag unsa pa ka paningkamot nimo sa imong kaugalingon, you will always go back to the trap. Because self-control isn't about trying harder. It's about yielding deeper. It's really going into a spiritual kanang depth sa imong relationship sa Holy Spirit. Self-control is a fruit, meaning, para naa kay self-control, para makasay no ka sa sala, makasay no ka sa trap sa kaaway, we need to yield deeper. And go back to basic, kung sa may pinaka-basic, your prayer life, your devotional life, your D-group, your Sunday. That's the 4 basic. Kung mangutana ka, unsay ginabuhat nimo as a Christian, do the 4 basic thing. Your Sunday is non-negotiable. Your D-group is non-negotiable. Your prayer life is non-negotiable. Your devotional life is non-negotiable. If you do that, you are yielding deeper. Ang tinuod nga disciple is ang someone who is willing to carry your cross and follow Jesus. Following Jesus would always cost us everything. And you know, once you decide na Lord, unsa may mga cross na ko karon? Individually lain-lain tag cross. Maybe your husband, your wife, sige mo dili ka okay. Tungod ba kay dili ka okay sa imong husband ug wife, dayon dili na lang pug ka moadtog D-group or dili na lang pug ka mo simba? Or maybe your cross today is your health. Tungod ba kay na ka struggle with your health, dili ka mo anhi og Wednesday for intercessory prayer, or dili ka mo tungag D-group, or di ka mo nag Sunday morning. Or maybe your cross today is finances. Tungod ba kay dako kay kag need nga money every month, the need kag i-increase imong income, and tungod kay need nimo i-increase imong income, wala ka og D-group, wala ka og Wednesday, og wala ka og Sunday. Now, your cross is your finances. Kinahanglan kag increase of income, and your solution is si Lord, ulahi, unahon ako ni akong finances.